Afternoon. Would you like to introduce yourself, please?
Yeah, hi. My name is Elmira, and I work in the accounting and tax department at Healy Consultants.
Very good. And Elmira, I believe that today we're going to be talking about a recent engagement that we completed for a client in Nigeria. Will you first of all just tell us briefly the nature of the business of the client and what we actually did during the engagement for them?
Yeah. So this client is actually in the education industry, and we just assisted them with our annual return filings and statutory obligations to ensure that they are in good standing.
Okay, very good. Now, I believe that as a result of a few factors, that the engagement was a bit of a challenge. Would you like to just very briefly tell me, in summary, what those challenges were, and then we'll talk about them in slightly greater detail?
Sure. So the two major things that happened were the coronavirus, which is happening all around, and there was some civil unrest as well in Nigeria. So these were the two difficulties that I faced while working on this engagement.
Okay, and so from a day-to-day perspective, what were the actual challenges that you faced as a result of those two factors?
Okay, so due to the virus especially, the government offices weren't working on full capacity. So as a result, the filing of the annual returns took a lot longer than it should. And on top of that, we are required to receive a physical certificate, which would be couriered from the office to our associates in Nigeria. However, it usually would take about 2 weeks, but because of the civil unrest and the virus, it took our associates in Nigeria about 3 months to obtain the hard copy certificate. But thankfully, eventually, we received it safe and sound, and we managed to successfully complete the engagement.
Okay, and I'm assuming that the client was very glad for all your hard work and diligence during challenging times for them as well, and challenging
Yes.
times for all of us.
Thankfully, the client themselves were also very understanding and patient about the circumstances, and they gave us the support that we needed to complete the engagement successfully as well.
Okay, Elmira, that's all we need from you. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Ma.